Welcome back, guys. My name is Marcos, and today we're unboxing Boost Mobile's cheapest phone. So I found this phone at Walmart. It was only $30, if you believe it, $30. It's called the Shook Bolt SB55. Never heard of the brand. It's a 4G phone, and as you can see, the display is a 5.5 inch display, 5 megapixel rear camera, and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. RAM. This phone's 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of memory internal, and a 3000 milliamp battery. So Boost Mobile's cheapest phone. You cannot even see this on the Boost Mobile website. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside. Shook Bolt SB55 has a nice picture. This is the box that's inside the shell, the Boost shell. Looks like it's an American brand, which I've never heard of. It is a 4G LTE phone. Here's the phone itself. We actually do get a USB to Type-C cable. This is very short, maybe like a 3 foot. And then we get a nice little travel adapter, which is this one right here. It almost looks like a Samsung one, like an older one. It does have the Shook branding right there. I don't think it has full speed, fast speed battery charge, but it's a charger. And then the phone itself does come with this protective film. And that's it, no case. Looks like we have a manual here and the phone. So let's check out the phone. So we have the device powered on. Here's what we get. We get a 5.5 VGA display. It's a plastic display here in the front. The camera in the back, as you can see, one camera with flash is a 5 megapixel camera. Here on the front, we do get a 2 megapixel camera. So this is a $30 phone. Here we have the power button, the volume rocker right here. We do have a headphone jack, a microphone here on the top. Left side, nothing going on. Bottom, we do get a Type-C port and the cables in the box. And then they haven't done this in a while, but you can actually remove the back. And then you can expand, you can add your SIM card here, and you can add your memory card right here. And pretty much that's it. You can expand the SIM card up to 256 gigs, which is not much. And also, this phone only has 2 gigs of RAM. So as you can see, it's not slow. It is running Android 11 Go edition. Never even heard of the Go edition, but it is running Android 11 Go. It just seems like a more simple Android version. There's not much. There's no other windows. I'm sure you can probably add more, but it's very basic. Some of the settings right here. We get a flashlight, rotate, do not disturb. We get hotspot with this as well. You can even do a screen record. Let's see if we can do a screenshot with it. Screenshot, volume down, and power. You can screenshot as well. So nothing crazy. So here's a camera. As you can see, it kind of tries to stabilize itself. Not the clearest camera, but it'll take a picture. It'll take a picture. It's a decent camera. Let's see if we can zoom into this. See if it'll pick it up. So very basic. So very basic. Not many features. It does have the flash, the automatic flash, and it does have video recording. And let's see if we have any other features. So we have automatic, HDR, and Pro mode. So very basic camera. It's only a 5 megapixel camera, and pretty basic with a flash. So let's check out the music. Let's check out some music videos and see how it sounds. So we are able to view videos up to 1080p. Let's see if we can take it back. So advance. So it actually said we could view videos to 1080p, then it went down to 480p. So maybe it can't. So like I said, it's not the fastest. I looked on the Shook website. I couldn't find much about the processor. But like I said, the phone's made out of like a plastic display here in the front. The colors are okay. It's a good emergency phone. I want to say it's a good emergency phone. Let's try the volume up. So that's all the volume. Looks like we only have a speaker down here. Not the loudest. So for $30, I mean, you get a basic phone. So I call it a backup phone, or like I broke my phone. Look at the colors. You can make phone calls, or if you just need a basic phone calls, it'll do the job. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing, guys. I actually found this phone on Walmart, and I was like, well, we don't carry this in the store. It's a $30 phone. Very basic, 16 gigs of memory built in. Let's see how much does the software use. So storage, software uses about 4 gigs because we only have 11 gigs available, almost 5 gigs. So very basic phone. For phone calls, I'll do the job. You probably won't be able to hold many apps, maybe like another 5 apps or something like that. The basic phone by Shook, it's $29.99 at Walmart, and it's a Boost Mobile phone. Pretty much, if you need to get a phone, you would go and pick it up. It comes with a SIM card. You would just have to update the SIM card in the account, and you'll have a phone ready to go for $29. So quick unboxing, guys. Just wanted to show you this phone that I found at Walmart. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.